Welcome to Easy Speak Studios.
I am excited! Slowly, Kai. Let's explore! Together.
Rule 1, stay together. Rule 2, no running.
Meeting point is that bench. If lost, come there.
Meeting bench. Okay, bench.
Okay, Mom. Did you hear that? A small sound. Milo, stop. Stay with us.
No going alone. Stay in my sight.
So pretty! I hear it again.
Left trail.
Okay, left.
It sounds like crying. Just 1 second.
Milo, where are you?
Dad, where's Milo?
Milo is not here. Okay, stop.
Milo, answer me!
No panic. We search step by step. This is Milo's wristband.
Oh no.
Milo!
It sounds like crying. Just 1 second. My strap? Okay, fix. Milo, where are you? Milo, where are you?
Milo is not here. Okay, this is Milo's bag.
Oh no. Wait, a keychain. Is this a clue?
Milo, are you inside?
Uncle Ryan, I'm here.
The door is locked.
Where is Milo? Milo was with me.
I'm scared. The door closed.
Milo is inside.
Okay, stay calm. Milo touched the door, then click. Mom, look, a box. A small box.
Maybe a spare key?
No pushing, we think.
What did Milo do? He found a keychain. Keychain. Look, a key. Cool. Click. It opened. Wow. Stairs. 1 step. The key is outside now.
We need a spare.
Let's search. Slowly. A hook. Something was here.
This string is fresh. A spare key?
A mark on the rock. A clue. A dot. Follow the dots.
Milo, are you okay?
I am okay.
Dot 2. We are close. It is dark. I feel scared.
No running. Breathe. Look.
Dot 3. Here.
A box.
Please.
Be a key. Oh no, empty.
Key. We found it. We can open it. Milo will come out.
Okay, please work. What?
It won't turn.
Wrong key?
Okay, please work. What?
It won't turn. Wrong key. I hear you. Wait, a sound up there.
There must be another key. A real key.
The dots? We missed something.
A ribbon. Milo's color. A key. I found it. Dad, look.
Dad, the key.
Good. Slow steps. It is turning.
Open, please.
I'm upstairs.
Upstairs?
Okay, I'm coming.
No panic.
I'm scared.
Stay here with Mom.
Okay.
Milo, I'm here. Uncle Ryan.
I was scared.
Milo, please be okay. Breathe.
Are you okay?
I am okay.
Slow steps.
Okay.
Milo!
Aunt Elena.
Milo!
You're safe.
Are you hurt? No, just scared.
Milo. You're safe.
Are you hurt?
No, just scared.
Never go alone. Always tell us.
If you feel scared, stop and call us.
Say, I am scared.
I am scared. Say, stay calm. Stay calm.
We stayed calm.
We worked together. Subscribe for more stories. See you.